Once upon a time, there was a dense forest where the animals celebrated New Year every year with great joy. This year, all the animals decided to make the occasion extra special. The wise elder of the forest, King Elephant, called a meeting in the central field to discuss the plans. When all the animals gathered, King Elephant addressed them. Friends, the new year is near, and we should do something extraordinary to celebrate together. If anyone has a suggestion, please step forward. Bunny Rabbit, known for his cleverness, immediately spoke up. We should organize a grand celebration. Everyone can bring their favorite items and we'll eat, sing and dance together. All the animals clapped and agreed. Chintu the Monkey, who was quite mischievous, said, "I'll bring my drum to entertain everyone with music." Peacock spread his beautiful feathers and said, "I will perform my best dance to add charm to the event." Dear Queen added, "I will make garlands of fresh white flowers so that everyone can look beautiful." Myna, the bird, chirped joyfully, "I'll sing a melodious song to make everyone's hearts happy." As the big day approached, all the animals busily prepared for the celebration. Tina, the squirrel, decorated the field with colorful flags, and Freya, the fox, arranged a large table where everyone could place their contributions. Finally, the much awaited day arrived. The field was glowing with lights, and the fragrance of fresh white flowers filled the air. The animals' faces shone with excitement. The event began with Bunny Rabbit's speech. "Friends, today is special because we are all celebrating together. Let's make this day unforgettable." Chintu the Monkey started playing his drum, and all the animals began dancing joyfully. The peacock amazed everyone with his graceful dance, and Myna sang a sweet song that enchanted everyone. During the celebration, an unexpected guest arrived, a tired old bear with tattered clothes. He looked weary and sad. King Elephant asked him, "Friend, who are you, and how did you come here?" "I came from a nearby forest. My home was destroyed in a fire, and I've lost everything." Hearing this, all the animals felt sad. Bunny the rabbit said, "Friends, we must help our guest. New Year is about sharing happiness. Let's make him feel welcome." The animals quickly arranged food, clothes, and shelter for the bear. Tears of gratitude filled his eyes and said, "You have brought light back to my life. I will always be thankful to you." At the end of the celebration, King Elephant addressed everyone. "Today, we've learned that true happiness lies in helping others. Let's promise that in this new year, we'll always support one another and make our forest a place of love and unity." All the animals wholeheartedly agreed and celebrated the new year with great joy and harmony. Moral of the story: true happiness comes from sharing and helping others, and unity is strength. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our story. Your support means the world to us. We hope you enjoyed the tale of love, unity, and celebration. mention if this story brought a smile to your face or taught you something new. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more heartwarming and exciting stories. Your encouragement inspires us to create even more magical tales. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Sweet dreams and good night.